Okay, the first thing we're going to be doing in order to get to that radiator and getting that radiator out is removing this this grill here, and it is only holding on by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs, 6 clips that look like this, which can easily be removed with a screwdriver. Removing that first tab there, it loosens up and the clip comes out. I already removed all 6. Now you just pull this out and up and the grill comes out. We'll set that to the side. Then what we're going to be doing is removing this bar here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I believe these are size 10. Removing those 6 screws, 6 bolts, we'll grab this bar. All this here will come off and we'll set it to the side so that we can get to the radiator. Okay, real quick, the top 4 were a size 10. This one here and this one here is a size 13. Now that we got those 6 bolts out, this here you can just lift up and move to the side. Before I unscrew these bolts that are holding down the radiator, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the upper and lower radiator hose and this one here, so that we can then start getting the radiator out of it. So I'm trying to get this fan trowel off, and you have, I believe it's 4 size 10 millimeter bolts, one here, one on the top, and I believe you should have one at the bottom and one on the bottom on that other side. Let's try and get this fan out the way. Okay, I went ahead and removed the fan and the radiator. Here's the fan. Now it is, you got 2 size 10 here, and then you also got 2 size 10 screws on this side. Unfortunately, this was missing 2. So we had one on this side and one on this side. That was pretty easy to take off. You disconnect the harness, the fan harness, and removing those 4 bolts, the fan trowel will come out. And then to get the radiator out, you have 6 size 10 millimeter bolts, which one here, and then one that goes here, and then down here, right, let me see if the camera will focus right there, and then you also have one down here, right there, and this one. And removing those 6 size 10 millimeter bolts, you can then wiggle that radiator out. Okay, this is the old radiator. Here we got the new one. We're gonna go ahead and put this new one in. Okay, here is the radiator, the new radiator. We got it back on, and we used the screws that it came with. We are missing some down there, but that's the way they brought the Jeep in. So we went ahead and replaced all the screws that it came with. There's your upper radiator hose. There's a small hose that goes to the reservoir tank. And then let's see if we can see down there, we have the lower radiator hose, the one that connects to the thermostat, and down to the radiator down there, lower radiator hose. We also got the wire harness clipped. And now it's just to fill it up and see what it does.